Welcome to another episode on the BookPill channel. Get ready to embark on a mystical journey through the mesmerizing labyrinth of quantum electrodynamics, where light and matter play a riveting game of cosmic chess, hand-picked from the pages of QED, The Strange Theory of Light and Matter. Guided by Nobel laureate Richard Feynman, you're about to be flung across the quantum universe, full of baffling probabilities and mind-bending duality. So grab your courage, leave your preconceptions at the door, and don't forget to pack your curiosity, because once you pop this mind-blowing book pill, there's no turning back. Buckle up for one wild literary ride into the quantum realm. Step right up, folks. QED. The Strange Theory of Light and Matter is more than just a book. It's your very own portal to the quantum dimension. With scientific mastermind Richard Feynman as your guide, you'll journey through a world where the usual laws of physics are suspended and replaced with something fascinatingly strange and incredibly beautiful. You don't need a PhD to dive in. The vivid storytelling and crisp analogies make this adventure as accessible as it is mind-boggling. So whether you're a science enthusiast or just a curious soul, indulge in this fantastic quantum exploration and expand your horizons beyond what you thought was possible. Harness your curiosity as we delve into QED, The Strange Theory of Light and Matter. In this beguiling journey, Richard Feynman guides you through the world of quantum electrodynamics, a theory that is as paradoxical as it is profound. It describes how light and matter play an elaborate cosmic dance, governed by probabilities, not certainties. Observe how nature's vibrant palette comes from the energy levels of quantum objects. Open your mind to a realm where light takes every possible path, where electrons exist as probability waves, and reality takes on a whole new shade of strange. This is 10 most important lessons from the book. Richard Feynman, QED, The Strange Theory of Light and Matter. In the mesmerizing world of quantum physics, light plays by its own baffling rules. It behaves like an adventurous explorer, choosing not the quickest or easiest path from point A to point B, but exploring every possible route. Imagine a million paths for light to follow, and it successfully takes them all, in essence, tracing every route in a cosmic maze at the same time. This seemingly irrational behavior, shunning the familiar for the exploratory, is just one of the many quirks that make light a truly enigmatic character in the quantum realm. Let's shatter some concrete notions about reality. An electron, a particle so tiny yet so integral to our existence, doesn't conform to our understanding of space and time. Instead of occupying a single place at a given moment like a marble, it spreads out in a wave-like manner of probabilities. It behaves like a cosmic roll of dice, offering a myriad of potential locations rather than a single definite one. This fascinating fact represents one of the many ways quantum physics defies our everyday intuition, revealing a wonderfully wacky and wildly unpredictable reality. Imagine a canvas filled with bewildering splashes of color, various textures and unexpected forms. That's the universe as painted by quantum electrodynamics. This theory, the artistic genius behind the masterwork, elegantly sketches the dynamic relationship between light and matter, invoking designs far beyond our common perceptions. This isn't your everyday world where predictability and familiarity rule. Instead, it's a place of gorgeous unpredictability, where light and matter jive in an enchanted ballet, creating a spectacle that's a delight to unravel. It's an invitation to let go of intuition and embrace the stunning complexity of our quantum universe. If we take a close look at individual photons, the fundamental building blocks of light, we encounter a mind-bending anomaly. They can display both particle-like attributes, hitting like a bullet, and wave-like properties, rippling like water. But here's the catch: they are actually neither. Photons are quantum entities, dwelling in their own mysterious realm, and every time we peek into that realm, we learn a bit more about the intriguing duality of the universe, defying our usual classifications and expectations. Venturing into the realm of quantum world, one soon discovers that the conventional rules of certainties are replaced by the intriguing dice game of probabilities. When focusing on the dance of light and matter, it becomes apparent that their interactions aren't deterministic choreography, but rather a spontaneous improv, guided by chance and possibility. Rather than asking what will happen, quantum physics encourages us to ponder What might happen? Embrace the unpredictability, and you'll find that the Quantum Town's game of chance offers a fascinating new perspective on the nature of the universe. Ever thrown a pebble into a calm lake and watched the ripples scatter in all directions? A similar scattering phenomenon takes place in the quantum realm as well, albeit with a twist. Here, light's original pathway is disrupted, forced to deviate from its initial path because of interactions with matter. This isn't a chaotic interruption, but a beautifully deterministic outcome of the probabilistic dynamics inherent to quantum electrodynamics, another mesmerizing aspect of how the atomic and subatomic scales of our universe operate. Quantum electrodynamics, with its web of intricate concepts, may at first glance seem like the enigmatic blueprint of a lofty theoretical skyscraper. Yet, take a closer look, and you'll discover that its foundation is deeply anchored in empirical observations, solid as bedrock. It doesn't hover in the ether of abstraction. Instead, it has undergone rigorous testing in the realm of concrete, observable phenomena. So, while its intricacies may seem entangled, QED is a testament to the powerful synergy between theoretical abstraction and experimental practice, bridging the gap between thought and evidence. Unlock the secret behind the captivating colors around us, and you'll find yourself staring into the dazzling theater of subatomic particles. The lush green of leaves, the deep blue of the ocean, the fiery red of a sunset. They're all just manifestations of varying energy levels in quantum entities. The wide array of colors isn't merely for our aesthetic pleasure, but they are, in essence, a cosmic concert, a subatomic symphony of light from the quantum realm. So the next time you marvel at a rainbow, remember, you're getting a glimpse into the vibrantly varying energy spectrum of the universe. Beneath the cloak of quantum electrodynamics' mysterious and exotic ideas, there lies a relentless workhorse with an incredible knack for precision. Its predictions don't just vaguely point in the right direction, they home in on experimental outcomes with an accuracy that's nothing short of breathtaking. It's a shining example of theory meeting application, a glorious marriage of abstract musings and empirical results. In bridging the esoteric concepts with the tangible reality, QED stands as a testimony to the startling beauty and power of scientific understanding, twirling its baton over the symphony of the quantum world. Venture to the heart of quantum electrodynamics, and you unearth far more than a theoretical framework. This captivating exploration of light and matter is a testament to the limitless human spirit, an ode to our cerebral tenacity and unwavering curiosity. It champions the pursuit of ideas that blossom beyond the confines of what we know and understand, pushing at the edges of our cognitive universe. It reaffirms that science isn't just a quest for knowledge, but a daring adventure, a bold testament to our endless drive to look beyond the horizon of comprehension, filling the dark void with the incandescent light of discovery. QED, The Strange Theory of Light and Matter by Richard Feynman, has earned rave reviews for its engaging exploration of complex quantum phenomena. Lauded by readers and critics alike, the book strikes a perfect balance between intellectual rigor and captivating narrative, making the esoteric world of quantum electrodynamics relatable to everyone, not just seasoned scientists. Feynman's knack for storytelling and his infectious enthusiasm breathes life into concepts that might otherwise seem intimidating. Whether you're a curious novice or a seasoned scholar, this book serves as a riveting exploration and meaningful learning experience, capable of sparking a lifelong fascination with the wonders of the quantum world. Critics agree. This enlightening journey is not just a must-read, it's a must-own. And just like that, we've reached the edge of our quantum exploration in the galactic guidebook QED, The Strange Theory of Light and Matter. As we zip back to our familiar corner of the universe, let's keep the echoes of this quantum adventure humming in our thoughts, adding striking splashes of light and matter to our everyday reality. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through the quantum wonderland. And remember, every mind-expanding book pill you pop just might change the way you see the world. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the limitless boundaries of knowledge right here on BookPill. Until then, keep dancing in the quantum rift, and may the probabilities always be in your favor.